In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky navbar in Webflow. This seemingly small feature can significantly enhance your website's usability by giving users quick access to your menu at all times, even as they scroll down your page. It's a fantastic technique for improving navigation and maintaining user engagement on your site. So, let's dive right into the process. First, let's start by selecting the navbar element within your Webflow project. This is the foundation of our sticky navigation feature, so make sure you've located the correct navbar you wish to transform. Once you've selected that, head over to the Style panel. You'll find various settings there, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on the Position section within this panel. Here's where the magic happens. You need to change the navbar's position to sticky. By doing this, we're telling our web page that the navbar should stay fixed to the top of the viewport as visitors scroll down the page. It's important for ensuring greater accessibility as it allows site visitors to navigate throughout the site more efficiently. Next, you want to set the top value to 0. What this does is pin the navbar right at the top of the screen. A top value of 0 means there is no spacing between the top edge of the viewport and the navbar, essentially making it stick right at the very top. This ensures that as soon as users land on your site, the navbar is just a natural part of what they see, always there, welcoming and ready for interaction. Finally, setting the z-index is crucial. The z-index determines the stacking order of elements on your web page. By assigning a high number, like 100 or even 1000 to your navbar's z-index, you ensure that it remains on top of other elements on the page. This step is particularly important when integrating various layering elements, such as images, text boxes, or other design features that may appear as users scroll. Setting a high z-index will prevent any overlap issues that could obscure the navbar from view, thus preserving the navigation experience for your users. And there you have it. Your navbar is now sticky, and as your users scroll down, it will stay snugly at the top, offering a seamless and navigable experience. A sticky navbar can dramatically improve the feel and functionality of your site, making it easier for users to get around without losing their place, or having to scroll back up to find what they need. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to create a sticky navbar in Webflow. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.